That's short for navigator. We already talked about him in the chart house. He's up here a lot when the ship is underway to make sure navigation goes smoothly. The man that's really in charge is standing here where I am. He's the OOD, the officer of the deck. And he is designated in writing by the commanding officer to control the ship. He's normally a lieutenant or a lieutenant commander, probably has close to about 10 years of experience. He may not be from the aviation community. He most likely could be from the surface ship community, destroyers, cruisers, and that sort of stuff. And anything he says, it's as if it came from the captain. It's like the captain's order. He oversees the planet of the day, any exercises that were planned, any unreps that were planned, and he also controls the navigation of the ship. He's assisted by two officers. There's a JOOD, which is a junior officer of the deck, who normally has the con. The con is a phrase for the man that's actually given the speed and course commands for the ship. And he'll be a Lieutenant JG or a lieutenant, and he's trying to learn the OOD job. There'll be a JOW up here also, junior officer of the watch, who's a brand new officer, probably an ensign or a JG, just learning how to do this stuff. And he has primarily got the job of making sure we don't bump into anything. He's looking at other ships. He's assisted by the skunk board right there, which is a board where the enlisted man behind it has to write backwards. Any contacts that are around the ship are listed on that board. Now, that's not people that are in your formation. It's skunks, which stands for Surface Contact Unknown. So it's a tramp steamer out there with a load of bananas. And he's also writing backwards on that. And right there is where you steer the ship from. That's the ship's wheel. And there'll be a young 18 to 20-year-old enlisted man on that. Probably joined up just a few months ago. He probably had his keys taken away from him by his dad for what he did at the prom. And he's in charge now of a 70,000-ton ship with 200,000 horsepower. Try to fit that under a hood of a car. He's assisted, or what he has for equipment, he's not looking outside to steer the ship. He's looking at gyros and gyro repeaters. The little thing with like the brass lid is a magnetic compass. In front of him are two gyro repeaters that tell him the true course. He's given a course to steer by the conning officer, and that's what he's looking at. If he gets more than about a half a degree off, he's going to hear, "Mind your helm," from one of the officers up here probably. So it's a pretty intense job steering the ship. He's assisted. There. Okay.
Let's see if it works.
Yeah. Thank you. I was turning up my volume. Test. No.
Nope.
Oh, wait a minute. Maybe I didn't get it.
You have a green light?
Yeah. Test. No.
Okay.
Thanks. He's assisted by a man that's on this panel over here, right behind the blue backpack. And that is the lee helm. The lee helm sends engine orders or speed orders down to the engine room. There's several knobs there. They're set by the lee helmsman. And they go down to the engine room. They have a corresponding set of knobs down there. They set them.
Let me know when you clear.
And that's how they know what speed to go. Okay, that's pretty much the bridge. We're going to go down that hallway and follow the stairs down. As you go down that hallway, look to your left. You will see a small, like a Motel 6 room. That's the captain's at sea cabin. He'll be back there when he's not in this chair. And then he has another cabin on board, which is down below. It's an import cabin. It's more like a hotel, or like a Hilton Suites or something. Okay, I hope you enjoy your day on the Midway as much as I enjoy being here. Have a good day.
Thank you.
Thank
You're
you.
welcome.